Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create disperse effect in Photoshop. We will start by creating a new document in Photoshop. Keep its width to 3000 pixels and height to 2000 pixels. Keep the resolution to 200 pixels per inch. Click on Create. Now go to the Finder and import your image by dragging it in the document. Now we will remove the background of our subject. For that, select any of the selection tool from the toolbar. We will select Object Selection tool. Now draw a path along the subject and click on the vector mask icon to remove the background. Right click on the image and convert it into Smart Object. Make a copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Now we will go to the first layer and choose Filter and Liquify. Here, with the Forward Warp tool, we will extend the right side of our image. Just drag it towards the right to create the effect. When you are done, hit OK. Now, we will create a gradient background. For that, go to the Adjustment Layer icon and choose Gradient. Change the style to Radial and choose the gradient color. Do the settings and hit OK. Now click on the vector mask to create an empty mask. This will create a negative mask, and on the top layer, simply create a vector mask. Now go to the brush tool and choose your brush. I have shared the brush link in the description. With the black as the foreground color, paint on the top layer. You can rotate your brush by pressing the arrow key on the keyboard, and you can increase or decrease the size of the brush using the bracket keys. Similarly, on the second layer, this time with white as a foreground color, paint on the mask. When you are done with it, click on the adjustment layer and choose gradient map. Choose any color. Change its blending mode to soft light. This will add a color adjustment to your image. We can even change its opacity if we want. In this way, you can create this beautiful disperse effect in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.